When you know something is coming soon. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. Everyone knows when something is coming, and I knew something was coming, and I knew this virus was coming, and somehow I was being alerted to this thing coming and that I had to prepare. And so about a year ago, I started to prepare, and I'll tell you more about that in a moment. So here's the thing. I think of our relationship with life as being one where we receive information coming back to us. I say that life, and I believe that life is not happening to us, it's responding to us. And so if life is responding to us, then we don't need to work so hard to figure things out. Right now it's uncertain. There's uncertainty about when this virus is going to lift and things are going to shift and when we're going to go back to what we consider normal. I don't think we're going to go back to normal. There's going to be a new normal. This is an awakening. It's an awareness. And, if you don't like those words, I just say just get with it. Just look at what's going on around us. There's a lot of change going on, and there's going to be permanent changes. We're not going to go back to the way we were. So, I look at life as being a reflection of what's going on in our lives. So if you're looking out at your world or your family or the people in your life and you're wondering, what am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? Well, look at what's being reflected back to you from the people around you. That's the way that you can see exactly what's going on for you. So, and like I was saying earlier, I knew something was coming. I knew this was coming about a year ago. And I don't know why I started this practice, but I started doing something every single morning. I started doing these walks in nature. I started getting on a bike and doing exercise, doing something that's really short and simple. My whole exercise routine is about 20 minutes. So I started doing something called Tabata, which is a Japanese term, and it shows that you can do 4 minutes. 4 minutes of Tabata instead of doing 45 minutes of exercise 3 times a week. So I started doing this practice, but I started doing it every single day. And then I put my yoga mat down and I started doing yoga every morning, doing push-ups and crunches or sit-ups. And so I started doing this every single day in preparation for this time, because I have to tell you, I'm physically strong right now. I have been doing 30 push-ups every single day and 40 abs and the cardio as well. So I've been preparing for this time physically. It also prepared me mentally. And I know some of you have been doing your practices too. And if you have, comment below and let me know and let everybody else know what you've been doing. But if you haven't been doing any practices, this is going to be a tough time for you, because you're going to have to adapt and change. So, again, life is not responding to you, or life is not happening to you, it is responding to you. So look at life that way. And also look around your world and ask yourself some deep questions. Who am I? What do I want? Why am I here? What's going to make me a better version of myself? These kinds of questions get you moving in the right direction. If you don't start asking those kinds of questions, it's going to be reality TV or reality that's going on in the world, and that's just a reflection of what's happened in the past. Nothing new. You need to create your future. Otherwise, your future is predictable. Anyway, if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, there's more videos like this. You can learn and grow, and also comment. Let me know what you think about this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.